Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Today our topic is the Apple AirTags. Here are its features. Keep track of and find your items alongside friends and devices in the Find My app. Simple one-tap setup instantly connects AirTag with your iPhone or iPad. Precision finding with ultra-wideband technology leads you right to your nearby AirTag on select iPhone models. Find items further away with the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices in the Find My network. Put AirTag into lost mode to be automatically notified when it's detected in the Find My network. All communication with the Find My network is anonymous and encrypted for privacy. Location data and history are never stored on AirTag. Replaceable battery lasts over a year. AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant. Make AirTag yours with a range of colorful accessories, sold separately. Lose your knack for losing things. AirTag is an easy way to keep track of your stuff. Attach one to your keys, slip another one in your backpack, and just like that, they're on your radar in the Find My app. AirTag has your back. One app to find it all. The Find My app makes it easy to keep track of your Apple devices, locate items you've attached AirTag to, and keep up with friends and family. It works on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, even if your missing devices are offline, and your privacy is protected every step of the way. Find your Apple devices. You take your devices everywhere, which means you might leave them anywhere, whether they're under a sofa pillow or in a conference room. Chances are they won't be lost for long. You can get help to find your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple Watch, Mac, AirPods, or AirTag right in the Find My app. Play a sound to find your device. When you can't find something but think it's nearby or around others who might hear it, you can play a sound to pinpoint its location. Your AirPods play a specifically designed sound that can project across a room, and even farther. Display a message for someone who finds it. If your device or AirTag goes missing, you can put it in lost mode, that starts tracking its location, sends you a notification when it pings the network, and sets your passcode to protect your data. Erase it with ease. Worried that your device has fallen into the wrong hands? You may want to erase it remotely to delete your personal data and reset your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Apple Watch, or Mac. If you retrieve it, you can restore your data from your iCloud backup. Lock it down automatically. Activation lock is designed to prevent anyone else from using or selling your device. Point 1. When you enable Find My on your device, activation lock is turned on automatically. Your Apple ID and password will then be required in order to erase or reactivate your device. You can even find devices that are offline. If your missing device can't connect to the internet, the Find My app can still help you track it down using the Find My network. Hundreds of millions of iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices around the world. Nearby devices securely send the location of your missing device to iCloud. Then you can see where it is in the Find My app. AirTag can help you find just about anything. Misplaced your keys? Forgot your purse? If they have AirTag attached, they won't be lost for long. The Find My network can help you track down items on a map. Find your friends. Invite friends and family members to share their locations, so you can keep in touch with one another, coordinate around an event, or know when a family member has arrived home safely. Know when they leave, know when they arrive. If you like, you can get notifications when your child arrives at school or a family member leaves work. Notifications are easy to set up, and each person gets the choice to opt in, so everyone's privacy is respected. Specifications. Accessories. Make AirTag yours with a range of colorful accessories, sold separately. Connectivity. Bluetooth 5.0 for proximity finding. Apple-designed U1 chip for ultra-wideband and precision finding. NFC tap for lost mode. Speaker. Built-in speaker. Battery. User-replaceable CR2032 coin cell battery. Sensor. Accelerometer. In the box. AirTag with CR2032 coin cell battery installed. Documentation.